In this video, I'll show you how to create an external client app in Salesforce. So the first thing that we want to do is go to the top right-hand settings cog, and in there we want to click on Open Advanced Setup. From there, we can click on Quick Find and search for apps, or as I can see it right here, under Platform Tools, you can click on Apps, and then you want to click on the App Manager. And then on the top right, you want to click on New External Client App. Now from there, we need to fill out some basic information for our app, like the external client app name, the API name, contact email, and so forth. Next, you want to click Enable the OAuth settings for the API, though that is fully up to you if you want to or do not. And depending on your option, you'll have app settings over here, and you'll need to put in your callback URL. Keep in mind, a lot of these things will have these stars on them, meaning you have to fill them out if you choose this option. And then that is pretty much all you have to do. Just keep going down the list, filling out each section. And if you don't understand what some of these mean, it's best to either leave them unticked, or you can just do a quick Google search on each option here. It would take easily 20 minutes to explain each and every option. And when you're done setting everything up, all you need to do is hit create. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.